scooping, right? All right. Just do around, right? Get as much marks as you can, so we're gonna use the grinder to cut it. That's the reason why. We did that reason. These are roots. They're from the 6-inch right before the saddle. This is the main reason why we did this spot repair here, just for the fact that this was blocking the customer's sewer line. So now that this is taken out, we're just gonna make a repairs. Try to connect before the 45.
Before the 45?
Yeah.
You're not going to replace the 45?
No, I don't want to.
Okay. Más que el escúchale para ahí. No tengo nada. No es tanto.
The reason why we're putting sand is just for the pipe not to go down or move when we put slurring. Slurring over time is gonna be heavy, so the sand helps it kind of like settle down, like basically like a foundation for the actual pipe not to move. So sand, slurring, pipe doesn't move, and you're good to go. On the sides where the joints are at, just make sure you compact it. A little bit more.